Hi, I wanted to show you something about embedding questions in videos, especially for these lesson reviews. First of all, is adding some direction here that I have already added for Module 1. You know, watch the video and making sure that the students know that they're going to respond questions in the video. For this specific video, what's going on here, if we play it, is that, I'll show you.
This creates a grid-like pattern across the left.
I think there's, oh, okay. It looks like some directions were added. I hadn't noticed that. So that's fine. Whatever it was.
While the range goes west to east, longitude and latitude.
So I wonder, it looks like this is from the actual video, but that's fine. We can't control that. But
And just like that, geographers, you now know the different subdomains.
This one is, there's a scroll button. We need this to be bigger. For this one, the same thing. It's not even functional for a student. This is not functional. So we need to edit those, make them bigger. Also, when you're editing, when we have the timestamps on those interactions, we need to make sure that the timing is accurate. I will show you. For this one, we want to make sure that these are the same. I know I think I had done that before, but we want to make sure that these are the display times are the same, and it was, you might have to go back and make sure that it's right, but.
And just like that,
So 147 it was. Still a scroll button. So you want to make sure it takes most of the page. So these, I like that there's a poster, and these need to be the same times, and pause the video. So when it comes up, it pauses. When they respond, it continues, so that the poster doesn't continue until further from this time. That's the reason. And to fix the next one, interaction, just make sure it's bigger so that it's functional for the students. And the same thing here. I think it was too far out. Some of the content was distracting, so I'm going to change it to 151 and see how that plays out. Pause the video. And I can't remember, I think this has changed since I used it, but I think it's done. Yeah. Oh, this one. I wonder if this one worked. Yeah, it worked. Hey, awesome. And save it. And then see how these are a little bit closer together and it's not too distracting.
This creates a grid-like pattern across the length.
And then that's functional. The next question is functional. So that's how to have a better experience, you know, as you design and add questions, make sure that these question boxes are larger and that there's no scrolling. Thanks.